Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about Report Snapshot in Google Analytics 4. So it provides you three templates. You can use one of them according to your business purpose. So first is user behavior. In this report you will see how many users are coming, where they are coming from. In sales and revenue you will see your sales and revenue conversions, how much revenue you get. Marketing performance, if you have Google Ads you can see Google Ads data as well. So user behavior we use when you are in a starting phase. Suppose you just started your website, you want to see just traffic and where they are coming from. If you have good revenue and conversions, you want to monitor it every day, you can use this one. If you have ads and they are more important than your website, other sources traffic, then you can use this one. So let's see one by one how we can use it. So first I'm using user behavior report. I selected. If you want to edit, you can edit from here. So we call it a card. So these are all cards we can use, and here there are four metrics. You can see these are on the top right, top area you can see. And you cannot add 5, so you have to remove one if you want to add new, right? You can drag and draw, you can drag up and down according to your convenience. If you want to add something else, you can just click on the card, and there are so many reports you can use from here. So many graph charts according to your requirement, you can use them. Let's see next option. Here you can change your templates. Click on change report snapshot, and here it's a user behavior report. Now you can select sales and revenue. I don't have any revenue, so it's not showing any reports. Marketing and performance, you can see Google Ads campaign data here. So this is also a good report. Now let's see the next option. What is widing? So one next option is insights. Click here and you can see that if you want to use suppose you want to get alerts of suppose active users, and increase more than suppose 50%, right? So comparison period we can select same day last week. So you can get, suppose you have a spike in traffic, you can easily get a alert on email. Here you can give any name to remember it, and then send it to your email id. So this is also very easy, you can use this. I hope that you understand this all reports. If you still have any query, you can ask me in the comment box. Thank you so much.